YouTube? What's happening, y'all? Kinfolk, it's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. Weezy F baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene once again, man. Once again, welcome to the channel. If you're new over here, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, pause the video, stop this thing, and make sure you hit that red button down at the bottom and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I put out. And to everybody else that just subscribed, hey man, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy the content. And all my day ones, I appreciate y'all for coming through as usual, man. Now, yesterday was a crazy day, but y'all see I got on my North Carolina jersey because I'm a Tar Heel fan. I've been a Tar Heel fan forever, for the longest. And I live in the Tar Heel state. I live in North Carolina. So I ain't gonna hold y'all. We're gonna talk about a few things about these University Blue ones. I'm not gonna call them the UNCs because the original UNC, we all know which one that is. But let's go ahead and get into this one. And we have our standard Air Jordan 1 box, the red and black, the black and red Air Jordan 1 box. Y'all see that thing, man. Y'all see it. Now, this is a kid size 7. I'm gonna tell y'all why y'all should not panic. I know the flex app and everything was tripping the other day, but I'm gonna tell y'all why y'all shouldn't panic. But before I do, I'm gonna read the label to y'all and I'm gonna show y'all everything. And the label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. This is a GS. And the colorway is white, black, University Blue, size 7, and they retail for $130. Let y'all get a look at that tag, see what you getting. Size 7, grade school. And this is for sale, so if you're watching this video, just hit me up on my DM. Y'all can DM me on IG. I respond quickly. I always have my phone in my hand anyway while I'm at work, so I got y'all, man. But since I can't drop the top, we're gonna peel it off on this one. And you have your lot number on that one, if y'all can see it. Got our white paper. Bruh, something about this doggone North Carolina blue, y'all just don't understand. This is crazy because people who ain't UNC fans, Duke fans bought this sneaker. Optimistic. Like, I don't understand it. I really don't, but this is it, man. This is it. North Carolina, come on and raise up. But I ain't taking my shirt off because I'm still fat. You feel me? Wait till I lose about 30 pounds. But, ooh, this is what we got, y'all. This is what everybody was going crazy over. Now, like I said, I won't give y'all an in-depth review because I'm going to wait until I get my sneaker. I'm going to put another video up just so y'all can get an on foot and everything. Oh, the box dropped. But I'm going to put a video up with me wearing my sneakers, give y'all an on foot. Bruh, the prices on these are ridiculous right now. And it's crazy, but you shouldn't panic because a lot of stores have not received their shipment yet. I know my store hasn't. A couple stores where I know people enter raffles, they didn't win the raffles. You didn't win the raffles because a lot of stores did not get their shipment of these yet. So be patient. Now, what I would tell you to do, if you can, go to the store every single day of the week. Like, I know it sounds like a lot, but if you really want this sneaker for retail, because we've seen the StockX prices, I'm pretty sure everybody follows a reseller, bruh. The prices is sky high right now. It's sky high. But go to the stores every day to check and see if they got their shipment in. Like I said, a lot of stores did not get their shipment, and these, as soon as they come in, they're going straight to the floor. Now, you might have some stores might backdoor, but these going straight to the floor, y'all. So check every single day of the week. I promise y'all. I know there were stock numbers that were saying there were only 130,000 of these made. I got news from one of my friends that worked for Jordan Brand that said 130K wasn't true, but the supply and demand of the sneaker, like everybody wanted this sneaker, and I guess you could say it may have seemed like it was 130K, but I was told there was more than 130K, man. Now, I know people have been saying this is the Jordan 1 of the year. I have not seen a list of the Air Jordan 1s that's supposed to be coming out for the rest of the year. I know I've seen that Fusion Red, the one that look like the McDonald's colorway. I definitely want that one. I've seen a lot of people comparing this one to the Mocha ones. I could be biased because I'm a North Carolina guy, I'm going to go out on a limb and say these are 10 times better than the Air Jordan 1 mochas. These are 10 times better than the mochas. Now, and I heard a lot of people say this is true UNC blue. It does matches my jersey, and this is actually my high school color. So I was trying to double up on these, one to rock, one to stock. Bruh, this is simply amazing, man. Man, I appreciate y'all for coming through once again, rocking with your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. Let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Like I said, I know a lot of people, this is one of ones, man. This is definitely one of the ones that's pure D crazy, man. I can't say enough about this sneaker. I can't wait to give y'all the on foot and a review once I get my size in. But like I said, make sure you go out to the stores and check every single day this week. Like, just go do it, man, for real. If you really want this sneaker and you don't want to spend that resale price, just go check with your stores. Check with them. If your store didn't get them, like, I would be on it ASAP. But if your store got them, then you might be SOL. I hate to say that, but yeah, man. Shout out to all the Duke fans. We tore that behind up yesterday. And y'all trying to get a North Carolina sneaker. That's crazy to me. I would never get a Duke sneaker. Never in my life. Never. Well, I think I got one. I got a pair of Trajan Langley's, but that's I don't know what to say about that one, man. But it is what it is, man. It's a North Carolina day. We beat Duke last night. I hope y'all watched the All-Star game and enjoyed the All-Star game. But we got these University Blue ones, man. Y'all hit me up in the comment section, because once you talk to me, I always talk back, man. I love to interact with y'all. But anyway, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. And as always, sending everybody love, peace, and all this beef out here, man. Put some chicken grease on that thing. Out of here.